Hello everyone, welcome to our show Zaiqa World. I'm your host and cooking expert Hina. As you know the format of our show, we always try to make something very simple, easy and some sort of traditional recipes in our show. The menu of our show is today, we're gonna prepare for you guys a sweet corn fried rice. So as you know, the main ingredient is gonna be in this, is gonna be sweet corn. So I'm not gonna waste any time over here. I will share the ingredients of my recipe today, and before we do that, I will suggest you guys wash your hand and clean your surface before you start your cooking. So now I will share the ingredients of our recipe, which is sweet corn fried rice. First of all, for that we need rice. I got here nearly 2.5 glasses of rice, which is already ready to use. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna wash them and we're gonna straight away boil them. And for making the sweet corn fried rice, we need the veggies, which is carrot, capsicum, and we need sweet corn. I got some chicken cubes. Here I got 2 chicken cubes. These are optional. If you want to, you can use it, or otherwise you can add in the chicken chunks as well. So here I got the green chilies, eggs, we got the garlic cloves, probably we need 8 to 10 of them. Here I got the white vinegar, black pepper, salt. Here I got the soya sauce, and last not the least, we need some cooking oil for cooking. So I will first of all, what I will do, I will put the flame under this pot. Here I got in this pot nearly 2.5 liters of water. So what we're gonna do, first of all, while we're gonna chop our veggies, we will boil the rice. So in this pot I got the water already, which is ready to cook. So what I'm gonna do, here I got the salt. So in this pot I got the water already, which is ready to cook. So what I'm gonna do, and here I got some cooking oil. So I'm gonna add 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, and we're gonna cover this and let it have a quick boil. As it's gonna be boiled, we're gonna add our rice in and we're gonna boil them till they're tender. So meanwhile, what I will do, we will chop our veggies. So first of all, I will chop the carrot. So they are already peeled. So what I'm gonna do, very thin layers of carrots, and we're gonna finely chop them. So I'm just keeping 2 to 3 of these together and just gonna finely chop them in cubes, because previously when we made our chicken and egg fried rice, we use a julienne shape in there. So I just trying to do a bit different in this recipe. So that's why I'm chopping the carrots in cubes. Okay, as we always discuss the benefits of ingredients of our recipe, and we encourage all of you guys to increase the intake of 5 a day in your daily life. So 5 a day means 5 fruits and 5 veggies. As all these physicians and all these GPs are instructing nowadays, you should try to increase the intake of veggies and fruits in your daily routine. That's what we try to encourage in our show. And the carrots, the benefits, you know, it's very good. It's healthy option to eat, not only in a raw form, like you can just use the carrot for your salads. Also you can cook this, you can prepare some sweet for your kids. So it is very good to have it, good for your eyes and brain. And plus all these people suffering from the problem of they got the low blood in their body, like they are anemic, they can start taking carrots, and that will help them to increase their blood level in their body. So you can just have a carrot juice. It is very refreshing. So because this is the weather, it is a season of using all these veggies, so I will always encourage you to try to intake as much as you can in your salads and plus in your cooking. As you know, all these recipes we are preparing, we always try to add in some veggies in there. So we need nearly 1 cup of carrots. So, and I'm just finely chopping them. These are the Pakistani carrots, that's why they are so red. You can easily buy from all these grocery shops. Otherwise you can use all other carrots which is available nearby your supermarket. So that's the optional of using the Pakistani carrots. Okay, so nearly 1 cup of carrots we need for our today's recipe. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna quickly chop our capsicum. Also we need the 1 cup of capsicum. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove the tops and the bottoms. Simple and easy way to chop. Do the cuts, and then we're gonna do the cubes cutting of our capsicum too. As I mentioned so many times, capsicum not only for cooking, you can also use as a raw in your salads. It will give a nice taste to your salad, and plus it is very healthy. So try to use that in your daily life as well. And plus when you are preparing all these Chinese food, all these soups, you probably find out nearly each and every recipe can do have the capsicum in it. And all these people liking our YouTube channel and subscribing it and sending us the messages, we really appreciate that. Very simple and easy way to chop our capsicums. And we always try to give you very small tips. And okay, so while I'm chopping my carrots, I'm just gonna have a quick glance to the water. If it's boiled, then we will add our rice in it. It's probably need another 5 minutes. When you boil the rice or pasta, if you add the cooking oil, it will keep the grains separate, so it won't stick to each other. And plus also you can use the white vinegar. That will also help to give a very good color to your rice, and plus it will help to keep the each and every grain single. So we're adding both in this today. So I just at the moment I'm just boiling the water with the salt and 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. So while we're gonna add our rice, I will add the white vinegar too. And plus if you really want to lose some weight, so I will let you know what you can do. Start your day with the hot glass of water, lukewarm water, and with 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. You can add in as optional. So that will help you not only to boost up your energy in the morning, plus it will help you to lose your weight too. So all these people exercising, using gym, they should start taking this morning drink. That will really help them. So what you just need to do, it will give you energy booster because you're adding honey. Honey is our natural source of energy. And plus I just gonna mention here, use the organic honey. That's more healthy option, because other honeys which is available, most of them are just as a, what you can say, the mixture of sugar. So try to find the organic honey, use that. Here is the time for a very short break. Don't go anywhere, we will be right back. Keep watching our show Zaiqa World, only on TV 99।
स्वीट कॉर्न फ्राइड राइस बनाने के लिए हमें चाहिए चावल 2.5 गिलास, तेल हस्बे ज़रूरत, अंडे 3 से 4 अदद, नमक हस्बे जायका, लहसुन 4 से 5 जो है बारीक कटे हुए, गाजर 1 अदद बारीक कटी हुई, शिमला मिर्च 2 अदद बारीक कटी हुई, चिकन क्यूब 2 अदद, स्वीट कॉर्न्स 1 कप, सोया सॉस 2 से 4 खाने के चम्मच, पिसी हुई काली मिर्चें 1 से 1.5 खाने के चम्मच, हरी मिर्चें 2 से 4 अदद बारीक कटी हुई, सिरका 2 से 3 खाने के चम्मच, पानी हस्बे ज़रूरत। स्वीट कॉर्न फ्राइड राइस बनाने के लिए एक बर्तन में पानी गर्म करके इसमें नमक, तेल, सिरका और चावल शामिल करके उबाल लें। एक पैन में 2 से 3 खाने के चम्मच तेल गरम करके इसमें अंडों को फ्राई करें और साइड पर रख दें। अब एक और पैन में 2 से 3 खाने के चम्मच तेल गरम करके इसमें लहसुन के जोए, गाजर, शिमला मिर्चें, चिकन क्यूब, स्वीट कॉर्न, सोया सॉस, काली मिर्चें, हरी मिर्चें और नमक शामिल करके हल्का सा फ्राई करें। अब इसमें पहले से उबले हुए चावल शामिल करके मिक्स करें और हल्की आंच पर दम दे दें। जब दम आ जाए तो इसमें फ्राई किए हुए अंडे शामिल करके अच्छी तरह से मिक्स कर लें और फिर सर्विंग ट्रे में निकाल कर सर्व करें। मज़ेदार स्वीट कॉर्न फ्राइड राइस तैयार हैं। For sweet corn fried rice, we need rice 2.5 glass, oil as required, eggs 3 to 4, salt to taste, garlic 4 to 5 finely chopped, carrot 1 finely chopped, capsicum 2 finely chopped, chicken cubes 2, sweet corns 1 cup, soya sauce 2 to 4 tablespoon, crushed black pepper 1.5 tablespoon, green chilies 2 to 4 finely chopped, white vinegar 2-3 tablespoon, water as required. Cooking directions: in a pan, added water, salt, oil, vinegar, rice and boil them. In a cooking pan, added 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil along with eggs and to taste salt. Half fry the eggs and set aside. Take another cooking pan, heat 2-3 tablespoons of oil and saute chopped garlic, cloves, carrot, capsicum, chicken cubes, sweet corn, soya sauce, crushed black pepper, green chilies and to taste salt. Now added rice which are already boiled and steam them on very low flame. When steam is done, added half fry eggs and mix it well. Dish out in serving platter and serve it. Delicious sweet corn fried rice are ready to eat.
Welcome back after a very short break. You're watching Zaiqa World. I'm your host and cooking expert Hina, and you're probably thinking what she's making in her kitchen today. For all these viewers who just start watching us, we are making for you guys sweet corn fried rice. So what we was doing before we went for a break, we was chopping our veggies and our water had a quick boil. So at this stage we're gonna add the freshly washed rice in it. So these are the rice we're gonna add into our boiling water, and we're gonna boil them till they are tender. And in this recipe I'm using the sweet corns, which is a canned one, but you can just use the fresh sweet corns as well. Just boil them. I'm just gonna use my hand to remove all these rice from the sides. So you can just get the normal sweet corns and you can just boil it in a hot water until they're tender, fully tender, and then you can use them as well. So okay viewers, so we added our rice in this pot. I'm just giving a quick stir, and now at this stage we're gonna add 2 tablespoonful of vinegar, because as I told you guys, it will help your rice grains to be not to stick to each other, and plus it give a very nice color to your rice. They're all gonna be like purely white and nice. So I'm just gonna cover them and let them boil until they are fully tender. Meanwhile, what I will do, here I got the green chilies. If you like too spicy, you can add more, and if you like less spicy, you can always reduce the amount. Here I got the 6 of them, so I'm gonna finely chop them too. Just make the pairs of them, like 3 of, and just gonna chop them like this, and that's done. And now I'm gonna do same with another 3. And don't forget your rice as well, keep an eye on that as well. And as before we went for a break, we was discussing about how you can lose your weight or maintain your weight. As I acknowledge with you guys, 1 glass of lukewarm water 1 tablespoon of honey and add 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice or 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Very healthy option. It will boost up your energy. If you are using gym, are you exercising, it's gonna help you out with that, and plus it will help you to maintain your weight too. So I chopped nearly my most of the veggies, so now it's time to finally chop the garlic cloves. So here I got nearly 7 or 8 of them, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna finally chop those as well. So one by one, use your knife, cut it from the middle like that, and now finally chop it. We are using the chopped one. If you don't like the chunks coming into your mouth, what you can do, you can always prepare a paste and use that, but because it's sweet corn fried rice, so that's why we are chopping everything, every ingredient in this. But as I always say and mention, that you can always use the variation in the recipe according to your own taste and desire. So we're gonna finally chop them. And ginger garlic is very good for your health. It will help you to control your cholesterol level, plus it is helpful for your blood vessels to run the blood in there smoothly. So you can make the garlic sauce if you're suffering from the any problem which is the high cholesterol level or something like that. And I just gonna give you a quick glance towards our rice. Just want to show you, like, it's nicely boiling in our pot. I just gonna remove the lid so all of you guys know they are boiling, and all the impurities of the water, which is starch, it is on the top. So what we're gonna do, as soon as our rice gonna be tendered, we're gonna remove the water out of it and we're gonna use the rice. So try to avoid the full meal plate. Try to eat in portions when you're trying to lose weight. And what you can do, whereas you are at the moment having 3 meals in a day, to change them into the 5 meals in a day, very small portions, and try to avoid the rice. If you really want to eat rice, so what you can do, you can use the brown rice for that. So all these variations in your daily diet will help you to lose or maintain your weight routine. And plus I will try to give out all these herbal teas and coffee in my shows that will gonna help you to maintain your weight, healthy weight. So as I said, try your morning with the energy booster drink, and plus it will help you to lose your extra fat from your body. And plus as I told you guys about detox water, prepare that. Try to drink plenty of water, which is 10 to 12 glasses minimum. And water means water, not fizzy drinks or juices. If you really want to drink a juice, try to prepare the fresh juice from the fruits available at your home. Don't use any cardboard boxes juices, it's not healthy option as well. Try to drink milk, help you strengthen your bones as well. So all these small things, they do matter in your daily life, which we always ignore. So I'm just gonna have a quick glance to the rice. If they are boiled, so we can remove the water out of it. As you can see, they are boiling probably another 5 more minutes, and then it's gonna be done. As I said to you guys, as we add the white vinegar, you can see the color of rice. They are very white and clear. So that's help you keep your grains separate, and plus give a nice color to your rice as well. So I'm gonna let them boil. Meanwhile, what we will do, we will prepare our egg for that. So here we got the 5 eggs. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna break one by one, put it in the bowl, and then we're gonna beat it, and we're gonna prepare the chunks for our sweet corn fried rice. I'm using the yolk and white, both of them. You can use whatever you like. You can use the whole egg. Some people are like watching out their diets, they're avoiding the yolk. So what you can do, you can easily remove the yolk out of this and you can just use the egg white. So the main motto is to prepare a nice meal with all that healthy ingredients. And if you're watching your calories, so you can always do the variations according to the requirement of your diet plan. So I'm just gonna clean my hand, and now a pinch of salt we needed, like this much, just a little taste to our eggs, chicken eggs. And now, as you can see, our rice are done. So I'm gonna remove the flame, and now straight away we're gonna drain them out. So what I did, I drained the rice now, and I'm gonna let in the pan so they fully drained out. All the water should be come out from that. Meanwhile, what we will do, we will prepare our those egg chunks. So here 5 eggs and a pinch of salt in this. I'm just gonna beat them well. Very simple and easy. Our today's recipe. And while we are cooking, I'm sharing all these information and plus giving out you the tips and remedies about your health and beauty issues. So as the eggs are ready, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the flame on. So we're gonna add 2 to 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, so we can prepare the hen's eggs, so we can prepare the chunks out of them. Here is us time for a very short break. Don't go anywhere, we will be right back. Keep watching our show Zaiqa World only on TV99.
स्वीट कॉर्न फ्राइड राइस बनाने के लिए हमें चाहिए चावल 2.5 गिलास, तेल हस्बे ज़रूरत, अंडे 3 से 4 अदद, नमक हस्बे जायका, लहसुन 4 से 5 जोए बारीक कटे हुए, गाजर 1 अदद बारीक कटी हुई, शिमला मिर्च 2 अदद बारीक कटी हुई, चिकन क्यूब 2 अदद, स्वीट कॉर्न्स 1 कप, सोया सॉस 2 से 4 खाने के चम्मच, पिसी हुई काली मिर्चें 1 से 1.5 खाने के चम्मच, हरी मिर्चें 2 से 4 अदद बारीक कटी हुई, सिरका 2 से 3 खाने के चम्मच, पानी हस्बे ज़रूरत। स्वीट कॉर्न फ्राइड राइस बनाने के लिए एक बर्तन में पानी गर्म करके इसमें नमक, तेल, सिरका और चावल शामिल करके उबाल लें। एक पैन में 2 से 3 खाने के चम्मच तेल गरम करके इसमें अंडों को फ्राई करें और साइड पर रख दें। अब एक और पैन में 2 से 3 खाने के चम्मच तेल गरम करके इसमें लहसुन के जोए, गाजर, शिमला मिर्चें, चिकन क्यूब, स्वीट कॉर्न, सोया सॉस, काली मिर्चें, हरी मिर्चें और नमक शामिल करके हल्का सा फ्राई करें। अब इसमें पहले से उबले हुए चावल शामिल करके मिक्स करें और हल्की आंच पर दम दे दें। जब दम आ जाए तो इसमें फ्राई किए हुए अंडे शामिल करके अच्छी तरह से मिक्स कर लें और फिर सर्विंग ट्रे में निकाल कर सर्व करें। मज़ेदार स्वीट कॉर्न फ्राइड राइस तैयार हैं। For sweet corn fried rice, we need rice 2.5 glass, oil as required, eggs 3 to 4, salt to taste, garlic 4 to 5 finely chopped, carrot 1 finely chopped, capsicum 2 finely chopped, chicken cubes 2, sweet corns 1 cup, soya sauce 2 to 4 tablespoons, crushed black pepper 1.5 tablespoon, green chilies 2 to 4 finely chopped, white vinegar 2-3 tablespoon, water as required. Cooking directions: in a pan, added water, salt, oil, vinegar, rice and boil them. In a cooking pan, added 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil along with eggs and to taste salt. Half fry the eggs and set aside. Take another cooking pan, heat 2-3 tablespoons of oil and saute chopped garlic, cloves, carrot, capsicum, chicken cubes, sweet corn, soya sauce, crushed black pepper, green chilies and to taste salt. Now added rice which are already boiled and steam them on very low flame. When steam is done, added half fry eggs and mix it well. Dish out in serving platter and serve it. Delicious sweet corn fried rice are ready to eat.
Welcome back after a very short break. You are watching Zaiqa World. I'm your host and cooking expert Hina, and probably anyone who joined us just now. For their information, we are preparing in our kitchen today is sweet corn fried rice. And before we went for a break, we added 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, and now we're just heating that oil in this pan. Then we're gonna prepare our egg chunks. So here I got 5 eggs and a pinch of salt in it, and just gonna beat it nicely. So all the texture gonna be like this. You can see, wow. I love beating eggs, you know. Nice smooth paste. I'm gonna remove this, and now I'm gonna pour that into this hot oil. Let it settle down for 1 to 2 seconds, and then you're gonna carry on stirring, so we can have very nice small chunks of the eggs for our sweet corn fried rice. Very simple and easy recipe, and hopefully I'm fulfilling the requirements of all these guys who requested for this recipe. Okay, so just gonna carry on stirring so it turns into nice little chunks. You can break it with your spoon as well. So we are using the whole egg in it, but if you are calorie watching and you are on a diet and you are trying to avoid so many calories, because egg do have so many calories in it, especially the egg yolk. So what you can do, you can remove the yolk and just use the egg white for your recipe. And you can use the 0 calorie oil. And so you can see all these little nice egg chunks are ready. Simple and easy to prepare them. And just gonna remove this, leave it on the side, and just wanna show you guys, look at the chunk size. They're not too big, neither too small. Exactly the right size we needed. You can break with your spoon. Okay, so that's done. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna prepare our veggie mixture for our sweet corn rice. Here I got a pan. In this pan we're gonna add 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil again. Okay, just like that. And as it's gonna be, I just twisting the oil around so it cover the pan bottom. Now we're gonna leave it. As it's gonna be heated itself up, we will add our chopped garlic, finely chopped garlic. As it's gonna be fried, we're gonna add our rest of the veggies. And we was discussing today in our show how you can lose or maintain a healthy weight. So as I was explaining to you guys, try to watch out your diet, drink plenty of water, do exercise, join a gym, or you can walk as well. So it's entirely up to you guys how you wanna really do it, but we can just here in our show give you a small tips and guidance, and I will let you know all these herbal teas which are helpful to lose your weight. So here I added the chopped garlic, and now we're gonna saute it. As it's gonna slightly change its color, we will add our carrots, and we're gonna saute that as well. So simple and easy steps. Only what is time consuming is just the boiling rice and plus chopping your veggies. Otherwise very simple and easy. And what you can do, if you like boiled rice for your some other dish and they're left over, you can always change those rice into your this recipe. So don't waste any food. As I always say, we added our nearly 1 cup of carrots. Here I got the capsicum. Okay, here I will let you know, because I'm just using only these 2 veggies, but you can always use whatever you like. You can use the cabbage, you can use the spring onions. It's entirely up to you guys. Okay, we added all our chopped veggies in it. And now, here I got the 1 cup of boiled sweet corns. As I said to you guys earlier on, what you can do, you can just boil them as well. Just get the sweet corn and remove the seeds of it, and then you can easily boil them in a plain boiling water. Roughly probably take 20 minutes to get softened, and otherwise you can use, as I use them, the canned one. Okay, so now we're gonna add our spices. Nearly half a teaspoon of salt, because we already added some salt in our rice which we boiled earlier on. And now we're gonna add our black pepper, 1.5 tablespoon is going in there. If you eat less spicy, you can reduce the amount of it. Entirely up to you guys. And here I got the soya sauce. It's gonna give a very good taste to the fried rice. 1, 2, 3 and 4 tablespoons of soya sauce going in there. Okay, just gonna stir them. Okay, we're gonna fry them until they're all gonna be slightly tender. Then we're gonna add our boiled rice in this, and we're gonna steam them for 5 minutes, and then it's gonna be ready to serve. Here I got the 2 of the chicken cubes. I'm gonna break and add those in this as well. It's gonna give a very nice taste to our recipe of the sweet corn fried rice. As I said, you can use the chicken cubes, and plus if you want the real chicken cubes, you can add those as well, because chicken cubes are always a bit salty, so try to use a less salt. And because soya sauce is actually salty too, so just try to watch out the limit of salt you are using in your recipe. Otherwise all rest is fine. As I always say, having too much salt is not a healthy option. As you can see, the texture of our veggies, they are nicely fried in our 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add our rice in it, and we're gonna steam it for nearly 5 minutes. Okay, so here we got our boiled rice. As you can see, they're nice and hot, and our veggies are simmering, so we're gonna just add them into the veggies, mix them well. And you can see the color of the rice. This is all because of the white vinegar. As I said, if you made some yellow lentils and you boiled the rice with them as well, you can use the leftover rice to prepare this recipe for your next day. It's gonna help you save your food as well. So it's just up to you guys how you wanna do it. So what I'm gonna do now, added the rice and just mix the veggies with it. I'm gonna use a spoon. This is more good way to mix so rice won't break and the veg is gonna be nicely mixed into our rice. Look at the color of this. Okay, very slowly, nicely you're gonna mix all the rice and your vegetables in there. So okay viewers, while we are mixing our rice, here is the time for a very short break. Don't go anywhere, we will be right back. Keep watching our show Zaiqa World only on TV99.
स्वीट कॉर्न फ्राइड राइस बनाने के लिए हमें चाहिए चावल 2.5 गिलास, तेल हस्बे ज़रूरत, अंडे 3 से 4 अदद, नमक हस्बे जायका, लहसुन 4 से 5 जोए बारीक कटे हुए, गाजर 1 अदद बारीक कटी हुई, शिमला मिर्च 2 अदद बारीक कटी हुई, चिकन क्यूब 2 अदद, स्वीट कॉर्न्स 1 कप, सोया सॉस 2 से 4 खाने के चम्मच, पिसी हुई काली मिर्चें 1 से 1.5 खाने के चम्मच, हरी मिर्चें 2 से 4 अदद बारीक कटी हुई, सिरका 2 से 3 खाने के चम्मच, पानी हस्बे ज़रूरत। स्वीट कॉर्न फ्राइड राइस बनाने के लिए एक बर्तन में पानी गर्म करके इसमें नमक, तेल, सिरका और चावल शामिल करके उबाल लें। एक पैन में 2 से 3 खाने के चम्मच तेल गरम करके इसमें अंडों को फ्राई करें और साइड पर रख दें। अब एक और पैन में 2 से 3 खाने के चम्मच तेल गरम करके इसमें लहसुन के जोए, गाजर, शिमला मिर्चें, चिकन क्यूब, स्वीट कॉर्न, सोया सॉस, काली मिर्चें, हरी मिर्चें और नमक शामिल करके हल्का सा फ्राई करें। अब इसमें पहले से उबले हुए चावल शामिल करके मिक्स करें और हल्की आंच पर दम दे दें। जब दम आ जाए तो इसमें फ्राई किए हुए अंडे शामिल करके अच्छी तरह से मिक्स कर लें और फिर सर्विंग ट्रे में निकाल कर सर्व करें। मज़ेदार स्वीट कॉर्न फ्राइड राइस तैयार हैं। For sweet corn fried rice, we need rice 2.5 glass, oil as required, eggs 3 to 4, salt to taste, garlic 4 to 5 finely chopped, carrot 1 finely chopped, capsicum 2 finely chopped, chicken cubes 2, sweet corns 1 cup, soya sauce 2 to 4 tablespoon, crushed black pepper 1.5 tablespoon, green chilies 2 to 4 finely chopped, white vinegar 2-3 tablespoon, water as required. Cooking directions: in a pan, added water, salt, oil, vinegar, rice and boil them. In a cooking pan, added 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil along with eggs and to taste salt. Half fry the eggs and set aside. Take another cooking pan, heat 2-3 tablespoons of oil and saute chopped garlic, cloves, carrot, capsicum, chicken cubes, sweet corn, soya sauce, crushed black pepper, green chilies and to taste salt. Now added rice which are already boiled and steam them on very low flame. When steam is done, added half fry eggs and mix it well. Dish out in serving platter and serve it. Delicious sweet corn fried rice are ready to eat.
Welcome back to our show Zaiqa World. I'm your host and cooking expert Hina, and in our kitchen today we are making for you guys the sweet corn fried rice. And now all that mixture is mixed properly with our rice. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a little bit water in the sides and we're gonna steam our rice for nearly a little bit water, probably 2 to 3 tablespoons. It will go on the sides and we're gonna, on a very low flame, we're gonna steam our rice for 5 minutes, or probably less than 5 minutes. If they are fully tender, probably less than 5 minutes. So I'm just steaming them. Meanwhile, what I will do, I will chop the green chilies for garnishing and have a very nice conversation with you guys regarding your health problems and issues, whatever you are facing. So basically I said to you guys, try to avoid having large amount of the meals during your day. If you are taking 3 of them, try to change them into 5 and try to increase the water intake in your daily routine. Regularly go for your exercise, have an evening walk. Try to have an evening walk or morning walk. Otherwise what you can do, if you're working, instead of going in a car or a bike or a bicycle, what you can do, you can change that. Try to go by walking, take a bus or a train. So what gonna help you out, it's gonna help you out burn your calories while you're gonna walk. So they're gonna help you to lose and maintain your weight too. Plus, as I said, watch out your diet. Here I'm just making a flour out of a green chili. So I just what I did, I just give a cut, and now I'm just spreading the leaves. That is done. So what we're gonna do with the other part, and then we're gonna mix it together, so we're gonna turn into like a flour. So what I'm saying, as much you walk and watch out your diet and your calories, and try to increase the intake of water to lose or maintain your weight. Okay, that is done. And here I got some more green chilies, so I'm gonna chop them in julienne shape, and so we can garnish our corn fried rice. Otherwise you can garnish with whatever you feel like. So all these ways what I just explained to you guys, they are help you to not only lose weight plus maintain it, and plus you will burn your calories while you're walking towards your work or your school or your college. And because nowadays the life is so hectic, we try our best to achieve all the goals by using the internet devices, all these multimedia. We just sit down, we don't go into our playgrounds or parks. All these things are affecting us to gain weight, and especially our children. Nowadays you can see the rate of obesity in children are more than the adults. So what they do, they just eat fried food and burgers and all that stuff, and they just sit down, play on their gadgets, on their phones or on their video games. So because they're just eating and sitting, they don't have any activity to do. Because of that, they are just naturally gaining weight. So what you need to do, give them a balanced healthy diet, help them to take a part in the activities where they can burn their calories, take them to the playgrounds, parks, otherwise arrange something indoors with wherever they can do something. Take them for swimming. Swimming is very good if you really want to lose weight or maintain your weight, because in swimming you use your body against the water, and it will give a very good what you can say, help you to lose your calories and plus make you more energetic. These are the small ideas, a chit chat we do. Try to share my opinions and ideas and views to you guys, so it will be helpful for your daily routine and life. I'm just gonna have a quick glance. As you can see, the steam on the top of our lid, so I'm just gonna remove the lid. I'm just gonna have a quick glance, and you can see the rice are being steamed nicely. Just gonna mix them once again, and then we're gonna add our egg chunks which we prepared earlier on, and then it's gonna be ready to serve. Simple and easy recipe today, and you can serve these with any sort of raita. Otherwise you can just have them like that. They are really tasty because it's got their own taste. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add chunks of eggs in this, and then we're gonna mix well. Just gonna mix it like this, as we did with our vegetables. Slowly. Okay, so I mixed everything together. I close the flame now, and I'm just gonna cover. So because there is a steam inside the rice, so they will give a nice aroma and taste to our egg chunks as well, which we added in. Meanwhile, we will prepare a nice little flour from our fresh tomato. What we're gonna do, we're gonna remove the peel of it, and then we're gonna nicely wrap. So a little rose out of our little tomato. And you're probably thinking what we can do with this. So the rest of the tomato you just prepare a paste out of this. Just put that potato in the blender, blend it well, add 1 tablespoon of honey in it, and that's gonna be a very nice mask for your face. Apply it. It will help you to get rid of all the open pores. It's gonna tighten up your skin, and honey gonna glow your skin too. And plus you preparing a mask for your face too. So we are trying our best not to waste any sort of food here. And now I'm just rolling nicely this our tomato peel, so it's gonna turn into a nice little rose. So tomato is basically not only preparing flowers, it will help you to prepare your rosy cheeks as well. So just gonna use the peel for our garnishing, and rest of the tomato gonna go for our beauty tips. So that's done. Our nice little tomato flower is ready. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna serve our recipe, and it's ready to eat. Removing the lid. Now slowly we're gonna pour, and you can see each and every grain of our rice. Nice texture and plus smell too. You prepare a chicken Manchurian, and you can serve that with that as well. It's entirely up to you guys how you want to serve this. Otherwise you can just use a raita or a sauce, mint sauce. Prepare a cucumber mint sauce raita and just use that. It's gonna taste really nice with that. Otherwise it's a meal itself. I don't think so you need any other thing to eat this rice with. Okay, that's done. Okay viewers, so first of all I will spread this julienne of our green chilies, and now as we prepare the green leaf for our this nice little rose, so I'm gonna plant this on the top, and that's done. Okay viewers, our recipe for today, which is sweet corn fried rice, are ready to eat. So do try our recipe and please do give us our feedback. It's been a lot to us, as I always say. And if you got any recipe and you want to share with us, don't hesitate, write us on our not only Zaiqa World page, you can also write us on our YouTube page and plus on our TV99 page, so we can fulfill your desires and requirements what you want. And it's time to say goodbye, so take care and Allah Hafiz from me, Hina Iqbal, and don't forget to watch our show Zaiqa World only on TV99.
स्वीट कॉर्न फ्राइड राइस बनाने के लिए हमें चाहिए चावल 2.5 गिलास, तेल हस्बे ज़रूरत, अंडे 3 से 4 अदद, नमक हस्बे जायका, लहसुन 4 से 5 जोए बारीक कटे हुए, गाजर 1 अदद बारीक कटी हुई, शिमला मिर्च 2 अदद बारीक कटी हुई, चिकन क्यूब 2 अदद, स्वीट कॉर्न्स 1 कप, सोया सॉस 2 से 4 खाने के चम्मच, पिसी हुई काली मिर्चें 1 से 1.5 खाने के चम्मच, हरी मिर्चें 2 से 4 अदद बारीक कटी हुई, सिरका 2 से 3 खाने के चम्मच, पानी हस्बे ज़रूरत। स्वीट कॉर्न फ्राइड राइस बनाने के लिए एक बर्तन में पानी गर्म करके इसमें नमक, तेल, सिरका और चावल शामिल करके उबाल लें। एक पैन में 2 से 3 खाने के चम्मच तेल गरम करके इसमें अंडों को फ्राई करें और साइड पर रख दें। अब एक और पैन में 2 से 3 खाने के चम्मच तेल गरम करके इसमें लहसुन के जोए, गाजर, शिमला मिर्चें, चिकन क्यूब, स्वीट कॉर्न, सोया सॉस, काली मिर्चें, हरी मिर्चें और नमक शामिल करके हल्का सा फ्राई करें। अब इसमें पहले से उबले हुए चावल शामिल करके मिक्स करें और हल्की आंच पर दम दे दें। जब दम आ जाए तो इसमें फ्राई किए हुए अंडे शामिल करके अच्छी तरह से मिक्स कर लें और फिर सर्विंग ट्रे में निकाल कर सर्व करें। मज़ेदार स्वीट कॉर्न फ्राइड राइस तैयार हैं। For sweet corn fried rice, we need rice 2.5 glass, oil as required, eggs 3 to 4, salt to taste, garlic 4 to 5 finely chopped, carrot 1 finely chopped, capsicum 2 finely chopped, chicken cubes 2, sweet corns 1 cup, soya sauce 2 to 4 tablespoon, crushed black pepper 1.5 tablespoon, green chilies 2 to 4 finely chopped, white vinegar 2-3 tablespoon, water as required. Cooking directions: in a pan, added water, salt, oil, vinegar, rice and boil them. In a cooking pan, added 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil along with eggs and to taste salt. Half fry the eggs and set aside. Take another cooking pan, heat 2-3 tablespoons of oil and sauté chopped garlic, cloves, carrot, capsicum, chicken cubes, sweet corn, soya sauce, crushed black pepper, green chilies and to taste salt. Now add it rice which are already boiled and steam them on very low flame. When steam is done, add it half-fry eggs and mix it well. Dish out in serving platter and serve it. Delicious sweet corn fried rice are ready to eat.